Hi, in this series I'm sharing tasty and ultralight backpacking recipes. This means that the meals will have a high energy to weight ratio of at least 100 calories per ounce. They are fast and easy to make with just a few ingredients. As you might know by now, breakfast isn't exactly my favorite thing in the morning, so I've kind of made it a mission of mine to find tasty oatmeal recipes that make the start of the day a little bit better. Today's recipe comes from my girlfriend and makes good use of the sweetness and spiciness of an instant chai latte. Combined with dried apple, almond and cinnamon, this is a great oatmeal for those cold mornings that can make it hard to get out of your tent. The exact measurements can be found in the description below. The ingredients are the oatmeal to start with and a satchel of instant chai latte. For the toppings we've got dried apple, almond shavings and allspice. For a more classic taste, you could also replace the allspice for cinnamon. Throw the ingredients for the oatmeal in a Ziploc bag and put the toppings in a bag of their own. When you are ready for breakfast, boil 2/3 of a cup of water and mix it together with the oatmeal ingredients. Let it rest for a minute or two and add the toppings. There you go, a sweet and spicy apple chai latte oatmeal that will make a great addition to your breakfast recipes. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.